fish is going in the oven, 180 degrees Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. So, trout's ready. Okay, so don't forget, don't overcook your fish, because who likes dried out fish, right? So here we have it. Now I am just going to debone this, and we'll get it ready to plate up. Now, of course, these lemons we can bring to the table, but they've already served their purpose. So let me get this deboned and we'll be right back. Okay, so our trout is plated. We have our delicious protein-packed salad that we made with chickpeas, and we're going to serve this up with our trout. Now, if you want to serve this salad warm, then hey, it's your salad. Go ahead, right? But look at how delicious this will look. You can bring this to the table and it'll be amazing. So the salad was made with the lemon chicken orzo and the trout with the lemon garlic chicken. So versatile. I hope you give this delicious meal a try. It'll be a real knockout. Now, if you want to serve everything cold, I'll tell you, cold trout is just perfect. Serve it with a nice baguette of bread, and your meal is served hassle-free. Bye now.